Привіт-привіт! Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. This is my video vlog from Cambridge. Почнімо! Let's get started! А це я.
We are now approaching Cambridge. Please ensure that you take all your personal belongings with you when leaving the train.
Ну що, я приїхала в Кембридж. So I arrived to Cambridge. So let's explore it together. The first building that we see is the Church of Our Lady in English Martins. Beautiful. And let's explore some famous Cambridge colleges. And this is the Christ College. Let's go inside. So this is the Christ College. And the beautiful territory of it. So this is the main market square of Cambridge. Сказати, площа ринок по-кембриджськи. That's the market. You can buy here fresh juice, smoothie or some fruit. Можна купити фрукти, як на ринках в Україні. As in the markets in Ukraine. Так, дуже цікаво. It reminds me the market in Ukraine. Really. You can buy here some clothing, some food, vegetables. Yeah, whatever you want. And that is the King's College. Yes, looks nice, beautiful. But it is a little bit on renovation here.
Should have it be 31.
31. Yes, there are 31 colleges in Cambridge and 39 in Oxford. Yeah, that's interesting. Ви любите купувати сувеніри? Do you like buying the souvenirs? Я люблю, I do, але небагато, but not too much. There are a lot of t-shirts, hoodies, caps with Cambridge, but you know that I'm an Oxford girl, so I have already bought a t-shirt and hoodie with Oxford. Yes, and of course we have royal souvenirs. This is the Pembroke College and it was founded in 1347. Wow. The 14th century. 14 століття. That's impressive. Дуже вражає. Here on the interesting building of the 19th century, I found an interesting clock. Yes, and the blue lights show us the time. So you can see it's 12:35. And at the first blue light, it shows us the seconds. Interesting. The mechanic clock. I visited the Fitzwilliam Museum. It is the Art and Antiques Museum of the University of Cambridge, and it was founded in the 19th century. And you can see here a lot of interesting artifacts from the whole world, and now we can see with you beautiful ceramic dishware. Tell the truth, I'm not a big fan of museums. What about you guys? But they are free in the Great Britain, so it's great. It's worth visiting. I was impressed in the Renaissance room because there were ancient books and they were beautiful, and I can't imagine how much time it took to write so straight with the beautiful print, and these ancient books were illustrated. It's hard work and you can't make a mistake when you do it. So it was really impressive, especially when you can realize that right now it is not a big deal to buy a book. You can easily do it in every bookstore, but it was impossible more than 100 years ago. And yes, I like it a lot. You know that I'm a teacher. I love books and textbooks, of course. Yeah. And of course, there were some clothing of the kings. And this is the Italian art room. And of course, there were lots of beautiful, it's weird, that guy, but lots of beautiful pictures. And I'm not a really arty person, but I like it. Oi. What a beautiful puzzles. Just masterpiece, especially this one. I like doing puzzles. It's a big anti-stress for me. And on my charity store by t-shirt Save Ukrainian Life, you can find also some puzzles that I created. So Ukrainian map puzzles. And yes, you can buy them, do them, and support Ukraine. Жовто-блакитні кольори. Yellow and blue colors. Thank you for support. Дякую за підтримку. I'm on the way to meet with my colleague Andriy Smetsnyuk, who teaches Ukrainian language at Cambridge University. Andriy teaches the Ukrainian language at the Faculty of Modern and Medieval Language at the University of Cambridge. So let's meet him. Ми прийшли в Кембридж, так, на факультет мов, і тут відбувалося дуже багато різних заходів, показ фільму, так, і різних подій. Зараз трішки побачимо, що тут.
Деякі з них трошки розбилися в залозі.
Так, у вас буде до дня народження Шевченка якась подія або щось буде відбуватися?
Ну, у нас є лекції про Шевченка для студентів, але в нас немає окремого святкування. Але я думаю, що в спільноті біженців
knows that you've got space on the record, this is one of our books, we can put it on there, but then the second time it then desensitizes the tag, and this is the bit that takes a bit longer to initial.
The collection of Ukrainian books about the war. Ukrainian department in the Library of Cambridge. Так, яблуко. Круто, круто. Так, це гарні книги. Ну, доволі хороша бібліотека, я хочу сказати. Тарас Шевченко, Павло Тичина, Леся Українка. Ну, хороша бібліотека. Вон навіть є Бандера. History of Ukraine.
No, it's great.
Glad it's getting some engagement.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, have a look.
Це тобі всі. Ну, це дуже гарно.
Дуже гарні.
В мантіях, в костюмах, дуже класно.
Так. Доброго ранку, мої дорогі друзі. Good morning, my dear friends. Це мій другий день у Кембриджі. It's my second day in Cambridge. Я зараз у готелі. I'm in the hotel right now. І збираюся йти на зустріч з українськими біженцями. I'm going to meet with Ukrainian refugees. Андрій запросив мене. Andrei invited me to go to church here, and there will be a big meeting of Ukrainian community. Думаю, це буде цікаво. I think it will be interesting. I'm driving to the meeting with the Ukrainian community by double-decker bus. It was my dream to go by it, and yes, I'm sitting on the second floor. Wow. So let's share these beautiful views, Cambridge together. Whispers that share this lonely view, yeah. Whispers that share this lonely view. Oh my god, I hope YouTube won't take the monetization from this video. Добре, поїхали далі. Let's go further. This is a Ukrainian community in Cambridge, and they organize different events here. So you can see, звісно, українські прапори, Ukrainian flags, соняхи, sunflowers. So you can get some health consultation here. You can come with the kids. They can do coloring, rest, so people come here to talk, to get some support. Yeah. So I'm going to meet here some people, drink some tea, coffee together, and maybe I can do something together with them or help. Тут дітки можуть гратися. Here kids can play, can spend some time together to interact. I think that's great. Ось тут можна випити чай, каву, мати якесь печиво, have some snack and talk to people. Привіт!
Організація Cambridge for Ukraine, Cambridge за Україну або Cambridge для України. Це є та організація, яка проводить різні і тренінги, різні події для переміщених осіб у Кембриджі. І ми також займаємося тим, що ми поширюємо різну інформацію. Та, зокрема, в Кембриджі, в Кембриджширі, в довколишніх територіях є багато різних проєктів, які направлені на допомогу українцям, і ми намагаємося поширити про них.
Привіт. 2 weeks ago I met Olga in Oxford. She came to me as a guest. Yes, and now I am in Cambridge.
Yeah.
Привіт, Олю, як справи?
Справи чудово.
Так. So we met at the Ukrainian community. Yes, do you usually visit that community?
Yeah, I used to visit this community so much once I arrived because I didn't know much people. Then I get to know so many people already, and we usually met with them outside of these meetings. Still, sometimes I'm visiting, especially if there is some special events or some kind of holidays, I can come.
Yeah. So I met some Ukrainians there, and they said that Cambridge helps a lot Ukrainians. Is it true?
Yeah, I guess it is really true compared to other cities. I feel that, I think so, because I'm not sure, but I see that there is a big community of Ukrainians, big organization which helps Ukrainians.
Yes.
So I guess so they really do a lot compared to some other cities.
And I heard that Cambridgeshire accepted more Ukrainians than any other.
I guess
region.
so.
Yes,
I guess so.
it's
I
true.
guess, yeah. I guess
That's
I'm not
great.
sure about other regions, but I would believe that.
Yeah. Because I haven't seen such great community in Oxford, to tell the truth. So
Yeah.
it was great.
And it's still today not much people.
Yes.
In summer you will have much more.
Of course, I'm sure. Так, це ось такі справи. Будемо пити каву, говорити. Так, будьмо.